Disclaimer: I am not a professional mechanic. Feel free to feedback in comment section for any incorrect steps or better suggestion. I will update them in the description, so please check them out. No bicycle was harmed for making this video.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I had removed the square tapered crankset and bottom bracket. Now, I will demonstrate how to install Hollowtech crankset and bottom bracket. You will need Allen key, Hollowtech bottom bracket spanner, Hollowtech bottom bracket, Hollowtech crankset, cloth and paper towel, grease, and lastly, a soft face hammer. Start by removing the chainring from the old crankset. Use Allen key to unscrew the crank arm bolts. Remove paddles from old crank arms using Allen key. Wipe and clean the chainring. Position the chainring to the new crank arm. Clean all the bolts and nuts. Grease them before screwing into the chainring. Finger tighten all the bolts and nuts first. This will help secure the chainring and crank arm in place. Now you can tighten all bolts using Allen key. Clean off old grease from the bottom bracket mouth using cloth or paper towel. Pay attention to the wordings on the bottom bracket. It tells you where is the left and the right, and also the direction to tighten the bottom bracket adapters. Apply grease on the bottom bracket. Put some grease on the bottom bracket mouth too. Slot in the right bottom bracket adapter and shell from the right. Follow the directions stated on the bottom bracket adapter. Tighten it using hand first before using the bottom bracket spanner. Repeat the same on the other side. Apply grease on the crank spindle before inserting from the right side. Use your palm to hit the crank until the spindle is fully inserted. Apply grease on the left crank arm drive. Make sure you slot in the crank drive correctly according to the teeth alignment. Use a soft face hammer to hit the crank arm until it is fully inserted. Screw in the crank arm screws, but do not tighten first. Use Allen key to screw in the fixing bolt. Tighten it slightly, do not over tighten as it will cause your crank to become stiff. Now you can proceed to tighten the crank arm screws using Allen key. Things to take note. Your chainring should align with the center cassette. If chainring position is too close to the frame, you can add spacer at the right bottom bracket adapter. Wiggle the crank arms left and right. It should be tight and snug. If there is free play, you can add spacer at the left bottom bracket adapter. Now the crankset installation is completed. We can put back the chain. Install the pedals using Allen key. Lastly, check gear shifting. Now the bike is good to go. Before we end the video, let's see the weight comparison of these two cranksets. Square tapered crankset is 821 grams. Hollowtech crankset is 707 grams, which is 114 grams lighter. That's it for today's video, and I hope you like it. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Till next time, bye!